Today I stand before you with a message that has the power to uplift our spirits, strengthen our resolve, and ignite the flames of hope within our hearts. It's a message that resonates deeply, regardless of our beliefs, backgrounds, or life experiences. Fear not, God is with you. In the tapestry of our lives, fear is a common thread. We all face moments when the unknown looms before us like an insurmountable mountain. The fear of failure, the fear of loss, or the fear of stepping into the uncharted territory of our dreams can weigh heavily on our shoulders. But it is precisely in these moments of fear that we find solace in the knowledge that God is with us, guiding us through the darkness. When we stand at the crossroads of uncertainty, when life's challenges seem overwhelming, it's the belief that God is by our side that empowers us with unwavering strength. It's as if we draw from an inner wellspring of resilience that enables us to face adversity head-on, knowing that we are not alone in our struggles. In the darkest of hours, when despair threatens to engulf us, the assurance that God is with us shines as a beacon of hope. It's a reminder that even when the world seems shrouded in darkness, there exists a path illuminated by faith and trust, a path that leads us out of the shadows into the light of possibility and transformation. Obstacles are an inevitable part of our journey. They can either be perceived as insurmountable barriers or as stepping stones towards our goals. When we embrace the belief that God is with us, we navigate these obstacles with determination and grace. We see them not as roadblocks, but as opportunities for growth and self-discovery. Fear often holds us back from pursuing our dreams and aspirations. It whispers doubts and fuels insecurities. Yet when we carry with us the conviction that God is by our side, we find the courage to dream big. We set audacious goals, take bold steps, and march forward with unwavering faith that our dreams are within reach. Change, while necessary for growth, can be unsettling. It disrupts the familiar and challenges our comfort zones. But with the assurance that God is with us, we find the strength to embrace change as a catalyst for personal transformation. We become adaptable, resilient, and open to the possibilities that change brings. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, to withstand life's storms, and emerge stronger on the other side. Believing that God is with us nurtures this resilience. It reminds us that adversity is not the end of the road, but a chapter in our story, one that can fortify our spirit and lead to greater triumphs. Amidst the chaos of our fast-paced lives, inner peace is a precious commodity. It's a sanctuary we seek in the midst of turmoil. Knowing that God is with us can bring a profound sense of tranquility. It reassures us that we are never truly alone on this journey, that there is a presence, a divine presence, that watches over us with unwavering care. And as we carry the knowledge that God is with us, it encourages us to spread love and kindness to those around us. It reminds us that each one of us is a vessel through which compassion, understanding, and empathy can flow. It inspires us to treat one another with the same love and kindness that we believe God extends to us. In conclusion, the message, "Fear not, God is with you," is a source of inspiration and motivation that transcends boundaries and beliefs. It's a reminder that regardless of the challenges we face, we are not alone on this journey. It encourages us to find strength in adversity, courage to pursue our dreams, and resilience to overcome obstacles. So, as you go about your day, remember these words and carry them with you. Let them be a source of comfort, a guiding light, and a reminder that you have the unwavering support of a higher power, whatever that may mean to you. Thank you, and may you find inspiration, motivation, and unwavering faith in the journey ahead, knowing that you are never alone. Fear not, God is with you.